Hey guys, I'm not doing a whole lot today. I did finish getting my truck together so I can work out of it. The video I have for you is of a Rheem heat pump split where it froze up outside in the heat mode. And in it, I discuss a diagnosing mistake I made. And I may have cut out the very end where I go back and get all the ice off with water. But stay tuned, here it goes. Let me go get my, I gotta undo a bunch of these. I gotta take this top off. It don't get that cold around here very often.
It's really weird.
Yeah, and it's not even the really coldest part of the year for us to have like 16, 17 degrees.
I bet you had a lot of calls, didn't you?
Oh, and you know, it happened over the Christmas holiday, so there were lots of people who didn't call. So come Tuesday, everybody called.
Yeah.
It was, I mean, I'm thankful for the business, but it was hectic.
Yeah, you were flooded.
I'm just now catching up.
I bet. I feel sorry for all the people that didn't have.
And there were more than you think.
I bet.
There were, I noticed, I was in Home Depot, I noticed that their little space heaters were sold out, all of them. So I'm thinking, you know, some people may have had a rough time of it.
Yeah.
I do know, now there's several houses I've been to where some of their heat's not working, like maybe their heat strips don't work, or maybe it's a furnace and they don't fix it. Because, you know, we use air conditioning most of the time, and so they don't fix the heat, and then something like that comes along and you really need it.
You really need it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm lucky I have a fireplace. You know, a wood burning fireplace. So
Yeah.
we did use it. A lot of people don't have one.
I have a big room. Well, I have half of my house has an upstairs and the other half is just wide open. So that room is very hard to heat. So what we do, we've got gas logs in there to help heat that room.
Yeah, you have to do something.
I'll tell you what, I might just leave those on there.
Like, if something like this happens and it's like the AC, like I'm using the AC, I mean, is the best thing to do like to hose it off, or
You can hose it off, but this won't happen when you're using the AC.
Okay.
Because then it's blowing cold air on the inside and hot air out here.
Okay.
So yeah, that won't happen.
I'm glad I called you when I did.
Are you in a hurry right now?
No.
Okay. This is gonna take me just a little bit.
Okay. Well, I'll just be inside, and I'll come out here, and if you need me, just let me know. Okay.
I will when I get done installing everything. I want to turn it on and force it through defrost.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. Just let me know.
I will. I don't know how much of that I'm going to be able to use. We are replacing a defrost board because see all that ice? It's 70 degrees out here and that thing is iced up. Let me see. We're going this way. Low pressure control. They use different size spades. Because this is frozen like this, I'm replacing the sensors too. The purple on this is listed as D. That's for defrost. It energizes that purple, which goes to your heat strip. Oops. I may have just blown a fuse. Let's see if I blow a fuse. I did. Dang it. I wasn't thinking about it when I did that. I don't think there's... I might be able to use that. one of my sensors. Wait a minute, I got two in here? I got two of the same thing. Both of them right there. I better hang on to that. Alright, there's my defrost sensor. This is my outdoor ambient temperature sensor. Alright. Alright, so that's in place. We're just going to need to zip tie all of this. I hope I don't have to go in the attic to replace that fuse. Alright, now for this defrost sensor. This is one of those cases, it's obvious, it's not going, you know what? I didn't test to see if that board was getting 24 volts, but I know it was because I just tripped it. I blew a fuse touching it. Alright, where's my sensor? It's up here. Yeah, I told you I had skipped this step, but something you should note on this board, they're in there like this. If you don't have 24 volts between red and common right here, it will not go into defrost. Even though you got a call on yellow and maybe everything else is working, you got to have 24 volts here for the timer to work, for it to know when to check to go into defrost. hoping I don't have to go in the attic. I wasn't expecting that. All right, let's put it back together. bundle, did I? All right. All right, let's go see what we got to do to replace this fuse. All right, I'm gonna wait for it to come on and then I'm gonna run it through defrost out here.
Okay, Chris, how much is it today?
130, about 250.
Okay. You just making out the climate control?
Yes, ma'am, that's fine.
Okay.
Alright, I thought I had you recording. We got it on. It's already going through its first defrost. As you see there's a lot of ice. This would be quicker with water, and I still may do that. Well, at least now we know it will go through defrost. Second defrost. Let's see if there's water close by. Water right there. I think I just satisfied my thermostat. All right, so what I didn't do to begin with on that one, I didn't check for 24 volts to begin with, because those boards, if they don't have 24 volts, they're not going to go through defrost. And some of them won't run at all. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.